the Sony Xperia 1 Mark 7, the ultimate flagship phone that blends cutting-edge camera tech, stunning displays, and unbeatable sound quality. But does it live up to the hype? In this deep dive review, we'll explore every detail, from the powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite chip to the AI-driven power management that promises 2 days of battery life. We'll test its camera features, display brightness, and the all-important real-world performance to see if this phone can really deliver on all fronts. Stick around till the end to find out if this is the phone that deserves a spot in your pocket, or if it's just another flagship with a big price tag. Let's dive in and see if Sony's Xperia 1 Mark 7 truly stands out in the crowded flagship market. This video has been shared by my tech partner from China, so a big thanks to him for that. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more awesome tech videos. Now, let's get started with the unboxing. The Sony Xperia 1 Mark 7 brings back the iconic purple gold iron color last seen on the Xperia 1 Mark 4 3 years ago. This time, Sony has shifted from the traditional 21:9 widescreen used to the 6th generation to a more mainstream 6.5-inch display with a 19.5 aspect ratio, enhancing the viewing experience for everyday video consumption. The phone also features a horizontally embossed metal frame, adding a sleek, premium touch. While the Sony Xperia 1 Mark 7 retains some signature design elements from previous generations, it ditches the signature water chestnut embossing at the corners in favor of a beveled diamond border. The matte finish on the back and textured bump remain consistent, offering a fingerprint-resistant surface and a comfortable grip. The Sony Xperia 1 Mark 7 maintains its signature design with a non-slip textured finish, even in dry conditions. Most hardware elements, including the 6.5-inch full-screen display with top and bottom bezels, carry over from previous models. True to Sony's style, it avoids camera cutouts, offering an uninterrupted viewing experience ideal for movies and games, making it a unique choice in today's market. On a bright day, the Sony Xperia 1 Mark 7 stands confidently beside the Galaxy S25 Ultra, reflecting a similarly high-gloss finish under sunlight. The classic 3.5mm headphone jack remains on the top, while the power button and integrated fingerprint scanner are on the right, along with dual-stage camera shutter buttons for focusing and shooting. The bottom houses a dual SIM, dual standby card slot, and a hot-swappable micro SD slot, showcasing Sony's commitment to detail. The Sony Xperia 1 Mark 7 features a clean back design with just the Xperia logo at the bottom, no additional watermarks unlike previous generations. The retail version confirms this streamlined approach. Notably, the camera module has also received a subtle design update, adding a fresh touch to the overall look. The Sony Xperia 1 Mark 7 retains a sleek, understated camera module with a less pronounced protrusion and a linear triple lens design. The metal camera mount now features a vertical cut, giving it a flatter, more minimalist profile compared to the previous generation. Although the camera bump is slightly more noticeable, it hints at potential improvements in image quality. The Sony Xperia 1 Mark 7 features a triple lens setup, a main lens, an ultra-wide angle lens, and an 85 to 170mm telephoto lens with a photosynthetic zoom function. The highlight this time is the ultra-wide angle lens, equipped with a large 1.56-inch sensor, comparable to the main lens of mainstream flagships. This ensures consistent sharpness and noise control when switching from the main lens to the ultra-wide, even in backlit or shadowed environments. The Sony Xperia 1 Mark 7's ultra-wide angle lens features a large image sensor, thoughtfully designed for optimal performance. It excels in low light, delivering light, high brightness, low noise, and sharpness even at the edges and corners. Though our hands-on time was limited, initial photos indicate that the ultra-wide lens matches the quality of a typical flagship main lens. The Sony Xperia 1 Mark 7's ultra-wide-angle lens features a 50-megapixel 1.56-inch sensor with a 16mm focal length. The camera interface now includes AI features compatible with the ultra-wide lens, along with enhanced color tones inspired by Sony's Alpha cameras. Notably, 3 new features stand out: a revamped portrait mode with improved algorithms, HDR support, and enhanced color grading. The upgraded portrait mode in the Sony Xperia 1 Mark 7 now handles backlit and complex lighting conditions much better, addressing previous limitations in dynamic range compensation. It delivers highly accurate portraits with precise edge detail, including hair and fine edges, a standard feature in flagship phones. Additionally, the bokeh effect in the background closely mimics the look of DSLR and mirrorless cameras. The Sony Xperia 1 Mark 7 features a new portrait mode with a slight focus effect and an oval aperture speckle, supporting up to 7.1x zoom at 170mm. The portrait edges and background separation are highly precise. With AI-driven enhancements, The camera now allows you to use both the ultra-wide angle and main lenses. A lock button lets you select and track the main subject, ensuring it stays centered in the frame. Additionally, the improved anti-shake feature delivers stable, smooth results even while moving. The auto-framing feature, previously seen on the Sony VII and newer alpha cameras, is now integrated into the Xperia 1 Mark 7. It uses the ultra-wide and main lenses to enable tracking focus, auto-cropping, and protagonist tracking. This interface offers advanced cropping capabilities, allowing you to adjust the frame, even cropping down to the bottom of the image for a more dynamic composition. The Xperia 1 Mark 7's tracking feature focuses on the subject's head and upper body, allowing for zoom adjustments without overly aggressive tracking. It can capture both half-body and full-body shots. Additionally, the camera supports HDR and BT 2020 HLG color gamuts, offering professional-grade filming capabilities for everyday use. The Sony Xperia 1 Mark 7 continues to support telephoto macro shots with manual focus, now enhanced with peaking focus, which highlights areas in focus. The native focal length is 120mm, extendable up to 360mm for close-up shots. The main lens features a 24mm Exmor T sensor with a 1.35-inch size, improving image clarity and detail in macro photography. The Xperia 1 Mark 7 sensor utilizes dual-layer transistor technology, enhancing light intake for improved image quality. Its 85 to 170mm optical zoom lens with a 1/3.5-inch sensor offers true optical zoom, maintaining 12 megapixel resolution and providing lossless zoom up to 7.1x. Notably, all lenses, including the new ultra-wide, main, and telephoto lenses, support 4K at 120 FPS, offering exceptional video quality across the board. A notable new feature is the face distortion correction, available for both the ultra-wide angle and selfie lenses. When taking selfies with the ultra-wide lens, distortion is more prominent near the edges. With auto-correction enabled, it restores the face's proportions to a more natural look. This enhances both the exterior design and camera performance, offering a more polished selfie experience. The Xperia 1 Mark 7 features a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus display with a 19.59 aspect ratio and a 120Hz refresh rate. The color display algorithm has been updated for better outdoor visibility, offering flagship-level brightness under direct sunlight. Additionally, its speakers stand out as one of the best in the market today. The Xperia 1 Mark 7 retains the 3.5mm headphone jack, now enhanced with Walkman-inspired features. While wireless headphones dominate, the device offers stronger power output, driving even demanding headphones with ease. It also incorporates Sony's DSEE Ultimate technology, upscaling compressed audio files to lossless quality for a superior listening experience. The Xperia 1 Mark 7 benefits from AI-driven sound improvements and a new Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, designed to address power consumption and heat issues. Compared to the previous Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, the 8 Elite offers more efficient performance with minimal overheating. This promises both long battery life and better temperature management, making it a highly anticipated upgrade. The Xperia 1 Mark 7 features a 5,000 mAh battery, enhanced by Sony's AI-powered power management. While Sony claims up to 2 days of battery life, real-world usage will depend on factors like video playback. With Bravia display, Walkman sound, and alpha camera tech, this model continues to integrate Sony's signature innovations into a mobile device. Priced from €130.99 in Europe, the Xperia 1 Mark 7 combines cutting-edge technology with impressive performance. And that's a wrap on our deep dive into the Sony Xperia 1 Mark 7. From its incredible camera capabilities to its powerful performance, this phone brings some serious tech to the table. But is it the right fit for you? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, have a great day, and keep smiling.